Good morning, Year 6, and welcome to the final lesson of this week, and in fact, the final lesson of this half term. There'll be no further lessons next week because it's half term, and then we might be back in school on the 1st of June, but we will let you know in due course. Today's starter, it's a number pyramid. It involves adding and subtracting the decimal numbers. The number in the shape above the 2 preceding it is the sum of those two numbers. So 0.9 add something will equal 2.8. 2.8 add something will equal something else in here, and so on. Are you able to work out what the missing numbers are for each one of these spaces here? Press pause on your video and have a go. If you've had a stuck moment, I'll just suggest the order in which you might want to work these out. You can start with this one by doing 2.8 subtract 0.9 to go in here. Then you can find out the missing number by adding these two numbers here. And from that, you'll be able to work out the missing space in here and the missing space in here. You'll then, if you've got this one and this one, be able to work out what's in here by doing this. Subtract this will give you the answer in here, and the same then for here. Okay, hopefully that's been a little clue. We'll go on to the answers on the next slide. So here are the answers, and you can see and just tick off to see if they are correct. Now, in planning today's lesson, the third lesson of reading line graphs was really difficult to put onto a YouTube clip because the resources and the in-focus tasks were really difficult to read. So instead, and just because we're coming up to half term, I've selected 30 arithmetic style questions that I would like you to have a go at. You've done something similar before in class, and I'd be hoping that you'll be able to improve on some of the scores that you've got previously. So I would like you to look at the very first slide, which is here. I will zoom in to the full screen so you can see it in total, and then scroll down. I'm hoping we should be able to get all 10 questions on the board. What I'd like you to do is to press pause on the video, have a go at the 10 questions, and then we'll do the next 10 and the next 10 before looking at the answers. You'll also find that these questions are on the website, so you can print them off and have a go on the pieces of paper. Okay, good luck on the first 10. So let's move on to the next set of questions, and we can just about get them all in here. So we've got questions 11 to 20. Once again, press pause on the video and then have a go at these questions, please. And finally on to the last set of questions. And once again, I'll need to scroll down onto here, and then you'll see that we've got the final set of questions here. So if you could have a go at these 10, and on the next slide, we'll see how we've got on. Okay, let's go through the answers to the first 15 questions. On the website, you'll find that question 9 has the wrong answer. I've corrected it and put the right answer in here. So these are the first 15. Tick off the ones that you've got right, and then in a couple of seconds, I'll go on to the next page. Press pause if you need to. Okay, here are the final 15 answers. Tick them off and see how you've got on. That's it for the maths for this week. I hope you have a really good half term, and I might see you on the 1st of June. If not, there will be some Year 6 maths lessons to take you through the learning in case we're not back in school. Have a good half term and goodbye.